The first time I got this Pink Stuff, and then we're gonna try and kind of like take that out. I did use it on here, but I didn't film it, but it worked. But I wonder if the Ajax is the same. You just gotta scrub, right? So let's try this. Okay, here we go. And then I got the sponge as well. So it was like almost $10 for this scrub and this from Amazon. I'm hardly even pressing down. It's a really soft scrub. But maybe Ajax can do the same thing. I just didn't try, you know? But we're just testing this out and it looks good to me. Good. Look, all the gunk came off. Brand used. And then I think for this part, I'm going to use like a brush. I have a brush here. Because it's hard for me to get in and hold it. My hand is getting sore. Okay. Look, all the junk again. And it's just like really, you don't even have to scrub that much. Look at that. Brand used. Good job. All right, looks nice. Let's see if the brass will work. If it will become shiny. Okay. Or I don't know if it's brass, but whatever color it looks like it could be. I don't know though. I feel like it's doing something to it. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes, it works good. Okay, look at that. Okay, can you guys see it? Okay, let me dry it because I feel like you cannot see it that good. Can you see that? Okay, so we're gonna try the Ajax, okay? Alrighty, so we're gonna use the Ajax on this side. I won't do the top just so I know this is the Ajax side. But that's nice how it just cleaned that up. Okay. Yeah, only if it was a paste, yeah, for the Ajax. You can make a paste. Give it some chance. Okay. I want to say it takes a little bit longer with the Ajax, but it does get it done. Yeah, so it does take a little bit longer with the Ajax to clean it up. So if you got Ajax, use it up. And then, I don't know, but I like this pink stuff. I really do. Yeah. So you see that? I feel like it just takes a longer time to get your results with the Ajax. So we're going to use the other one. Just thought I'd do a comparison, but it still works the same. Alrighty, guys. I could do a little bit more, but we're gonna finish that later. But look at that, it looks like brand used. You see that? Looks nice. So my conclusion is that the Pink Stuff is good because it already comes in a paste. And the Ajax, as you've seen, it just goes all over the place, but it does get the job done as well. It just takes a little bit longer. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.